Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am all the way in Beijing providing some coverage for the Honor Magic 2 launch event here. I wanted to share with you guys a quick hands-on with the device and showcasing some of the special features about it. We have one in hand. It comes with a brand new assistant called Yo-Yo, so let's go ahead and check it out. This is TK for Pocketnow and XDA. One of the first things that you'll notice of the Honor Magic 2 is that almost bezel-less display on the front. And that's due to the fact that we have all of the mechanics and normal sensors that we need on this behind the display with that sliding mechanism. That's why we have that option. We have a triple camera setup on the front as well as a triple camera setup on the back, providing us the ability of using basically a really good combination of a wide-angle lens, a monochrome lens, as well as a standard RGB lens on the back. And in the front, we have a 16 megapixel sensor accompanied by 2 megapixel sensors for depth perception. The other main feature, of course, is that we now have an in-display fingerprint sensor similar to the way we have it on the Mate 20 Pro. This is Honor's first implementation of this technology on their device, and it looks really nice. Provides a very nice, a very sleek look to this device. Not only that, it gives you the ability of having a good secure mechanism to unlock your phone without having to worry about a chin at the bottom for a fingerprint sensor. Back at IFA, Honor teased us with the fact that the Kirin 980 will be powering the Magic 2, and of course they did not disappoint. The Kirin 980 is basically Huawei's first 7nm architecture chipset that provides us an octa-core processor that runs at 2 high cores, 2 medium cores, and 4 low power cores to give you a really long battery life. Speaking of battery life, we have a 3400 mAh battery on this device, and that's due to that sliding mechanism. Normally in this form factor, we're used to seeing about 4000 mAh, similar to the way we saw it on the P20 Pro. Now, as far as the software, we are running Android 9.0 with Magic OS 2.0 on top of that, essentially a derivative of EMUI 9.0 on the Honor Magic 2. But one of the other things, of course, EMUI 9.0 provides us is not only is it running the latest version of Android, but it also runs with a lot of new features and new tricks to provide you better long battery life. So you shouldn't have to worry about a 3400 mAh battery on such a nice device. Now, my initial impressions about this device, I'm actually quite impressed with the way it works. The mechanism is very nice, it's very smooth. Of course, we need to give it some time to see how it's going to perform and how it's going to hold up. It's been rated to last pretty long with the 5 hinges that we have here. We have 2 on the side, 2 on the bottom side, and then 1 in the center to give it that nice little mechanism. Now, there's no IP rating, of course, since we have a moving part on this device, but it looks really nice, functions really well. Face unlock is still present there, and there is going to be a premium version that has a 3D sensor in the front that provides even a much faster way of unlocking the device, even more secure for payments. I want to say thank you to Honor for allowing us to be able to attend the event. This device currently is available only in China, and hopefully it will be available in the rest of the world at some point. I am definitely looking forward to spending some more time with this, and I'll try to provide you guys with more coverage on the Magic 2. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of the Magic 2? Have you heard about it? Are you excited? Is there something that you'd like to know specifically about it? Other than that, like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you check out my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.